All right, let's get a look tonight at our 10 weather impact forecast. Chief Meteorologist Jerry Martz is here tonight talking about the showers moving into central Ohio. I mean, we had them this morning. Are we getting more?
Please tell me that you both had at least a minute to step outside when it was 60 and sunny today.
Yeah, I did in the morning.
All right, good.
She did.
Good, yeah.
She did. Not early morning. I'm not saying early. My morning.
But that window closed fast. We're going to walk you through the time lapse today, showing you the minute that cold front came through and started dropping those temperatures, and then we're going to see the effects of that tonight. This is what it was at noon today. 61 degrees, a few clouds and sunshine, not bad at all. Watch as we go through about 2 o'clock and those clouds begin to change direction and really speed up. This camera is from our studios facing downtown. Those clouds morning through midday coming out of the south, bringing that sunshine and warm air. Watch as we go through time, getting up to about 5 o'clock this evening. Those clouds begin to move in from behind us, behind me. That's dropping temperatures to the 40s. So we've seen almost a 20-degree drop in the past 7 hours, and we're not done dropping yet. We're going to continue that temperature slide. It'll be windy all night long. Temperatures falling down through the 30s, and we're expecting any of those leftover rain showers to transition over to some scattered snow showers on and off through tonight, and temperatures drop down to around freezing. Now, the latest model information starting at 7:30, this is about an hour after sunset, shows what appears to be a pretty large area of snow coming in. But rest assured, we're still talking about a very warm ground, scattered snow showers, and they'll move in and out pretty quickly. 10 o'clock till about midnight, that area moves on through, so really just flurries for the rest of the night into tomorrow morning. And once we get beyond that, we're looking a lot brighter for tomorrow, but it still will be brisk and cold. 31, 34, and 39. Even with that early March sunshine, those northwest winds are really going to keep temperatures in check. It'll look great tomorrow evening, but it'll still be breezy, so keep that in mind as you're making your plans for the day. Then we're going to move into Friday, also starting off the day dry with some sunshine. That doesn't last. Watch how fast this next area of rain and snow comes back in. Barely a one-day break tomorrow before we're tracking some inclement weather. Your Friday evening plans, it's not going to be a total bust. We're talking about very light rain or snow shower out there. Temperatures should be above 40 degrees. Not worried about accumulation. Once we get through Friday night and Saturday morning, that area begins to slide through. Might see a sprinkle or a flurry early Saturday morning, but the rest of the day looks good, and Sunday even better. And that's just the beginning of a 6 to 10 day stretch when the eastern 2/3 of the country will be enjoying well above normal temperatures. We're firmly painted in central Ohio in that above normal range. In terms of precipitation, that generally means rain, not snow. So again, spring is right around the corner. 39 tomorrow, not there yet. Friday, rain and snow, better. 44 on Saturday, 50 on Sunday. 58 and plenty of sunshine on Monday. Tuesday, 67 degrees, and either one or maybe both of those days, Tuesday and Wednesday, could hit 70 by the time we get to the second half of next week.
Did you hear that, Yolanda? He said 70 degrees.
70.
Bring it on. Thanks, Jerry.
I wanted to go there and stay, but we're back and forth.